In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal account hacked problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for unauthorized activities. Check your recent activities, logins, emails, and linked cards and banks for anything you don't recognize. Also, change your password immediately. So use a strong, unique password that you haven't used before and avoid using the same passwords on the other site. You can also check and remove unknown access, by the way. If you go to settings, security and activity settings, or active sessions, you can log out from the unknown devices and locations. Once you simply go ahead and do so, make sure that you enable 2FA while using your mobile number or authenticator app. It is very, very important. Also, the other thing you want to do is check your linked accounts and remove unknowns, by the way, like on your cards and so on. If none of it works, simply go to paypal.com/US/smart help and simply go ahead and report the problem to PayPal. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.